Hey folks, it's Josh with TechBee. In this video, let's check out the most suitable models for you based on price, performance, durability, and more. If you wish to know more, go through the links given down the description. Let's get started.
If you're already in the habit of making rice regularly, then you can't just ignore the advantages and convenience of a rice cooker. It simplifies cooking and will always be cooked to perfection. It offers automatic and uniform cooking, serves warm meals, steams vegetables, easy cleaning, and provides programmable settings and multiple options to meet your requirements.
If you don't get your money's worth, there's no point in purchasing the costly models. Well, buddy, the next product on this list gives you the best value for your bucks spent today.
This Zojirushi rice cooker and warmer features advanced fuzzy logic technology and allows the rice cooker to make fine adjustments to temperature and heating time to cook perfect rice every single time. Its 5.5 cup capability can make 10 cups of cooked rice, and it includes a variety of cooking functions comprising white, mixed rice, porridge, sweet, semi-brown, brown, rinse-free, and quick cooking. It uses a thick black spherical pan with stay-cool side handles to provide even heating for better cooking, and its programmable melody or audio beep indicator help to indicate when the cooking cycle has ended. Plus, its fuzzy logic of MyCom fine-tunes the adjustment to adapt to various rice types, such as white, brown, sweet, or porridge, which has different cooking requirements. And the trigger to everything is the thermal sensor, a small round button at the bottom of the cooker's inner body. Furthermore, its additional features include a detachable and washable inner lid, an easy-to-read LCD control panel, an automatic keep warm, extended keep warm and reheating cycle, delay timer with 2 settings, and a built-in retractable power cord.
Next up, we have an excellent option for you. Let's check it out.
This rice cooker and warmer utilize high-tech induction heating technology to heat the inner cooking pan and make precise temperature adjustments to cook exceptional rice. Its superior induction heating technology can efficiently provide high heat and prepare flawless rice every single time. And its triple heater at the bottom, side, and lid can generate heat all around for even heating. Plus, its multi-menu cooking functions comprise white rice, jasmine white rice, mixed rice, sushi rice, porridge, sweet rice, brown rice, GABA brown rice, and quick cooking. And its healthy cooking options incorporate brown rice, GABA brown rice, and germinated brown rice. Moreover, it offers a detachable and washable stainless steel inner lid, and an easy-to-read and orange LCD control panel with clock and timer. Its interchangeable melody and beep signal can let you know when the cooking is done, and its clear-coated stainless steel exterior fits any kitchen decor and makes cleanup a snap.
Now, if durability is your primary concern, then the next product would be an ideal choice for you.
This Instant Pot Duo Multi-Cooker combines 6 appliances in one, like a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, warmer, and cooks up to 70% faster. Its 12 one-touch smart programs can cook ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, desserts, and more on autopilot. And its built-in microprocessor monitors pressure, temperature, and keeps time, adjusts heat intensity, and duration to prepare healthy, tasty dishes. Plus, its adjustable temperature includes 3 temperatures in sauté for searing, simmering, or thickening, and 3 temperatures in slow cooking to provide greater flexibility. Besides that, its built-in safety features cover overheat protection, safety lock, and more to ensure safe pressure cooking. And its accessories include a stainless steel steam rack with handles, rice paddle, soup spoon, measuring cup, and a condensation collector, as well as its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel lid. Components and accessories are all dishwasher safe.
Here comes another model that managed to climb up this list. Let's see how it got here.
This convenient cooker comes with a compact capacity and perfectly cooks 2 to 8 cups of any variety of rice with specialized functions for both white and brown rice. Its built-in steamer function allows for nutrient-rich meals to be prepared above. And it can cook rice, soup, or any other meal addition cooks below for enabling you to save time without sacrificing quality. Its multi-cooker includes all of your favorite cooking options and possesses the unique opportunities of slow cook and saute then simmer S to S to make the meals rich and tasty. Moreover, its programmable digital controls with automatic keep warm and white rice and brown rice functions. And its provided 8 times bonded granite nonstick inner pot is more durable than ceramic and traditional pots and is completely toxic free and dishwasher safe.
If you are someone who travels often, then this model will be perfect for you. It's one of the greatest picks for traveling.
This new and improved Aroma 20-cup digital 3-in-1 rice cooker, food steamer, and slow cooker is designed to cook a good variety of dishes. It can conveniently cook yields of 4 to 20 cups of any type of rice with specialized functions for both white and brown rice. And it will automatically switch to keep warm once the rice is finished and eliminates the need for monitoring or stirring. Its built-in steamer function allows for nutrient-rich meals to be prepared above, and it can cook rice, soup, or any other meal addition below to enable you to save time without sacrificing quality. Plus, it can be transformed into a 4-quart slow cooker for furthering its use as a meal-making powerhouse. And its included inner pot, serving spatula, rice measuring cup, and removable steam tray are all dishwasher safe.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.